See how like nobody's inside it?
You're right.
Yeah, there's cars like that, but more than that. Oh yeah.
This place gets flooded real bad. Oh, look at the police here. Look at the police. Wow. Check out what happened, Jared. I'm gonna go slow.
I don't know. Oh, it's flooded down there really bad. Oh wow, yeah, it was like a river down that street.
They're blocking the street, like telling people.
That street was like a river.
This place is horrible.
Yeah.
See that?
Oh my God, this is a Walmart parking lot. Even got flooded too. I'm gonna send some money to Tia. We're getting all this food. Look how much toilet paper I'm getting too. 17 is shorter than. Oh no, but yeah, go to 16 is shorter. This is the line from yesterday because the people weren't able to shop last night because it was raining. So the lines are like double. It's still shorter there. No, I don't know. How am I supposed to know where it is?
Okay, I have to really think about this. If there's one not too far, we could go there. The one by the police there?
Oh my God.
Don't get my face, Jared.
I'm not. It's not. It wasn't. Yeah, there's a car. There's cars flooded in there like really bad.
It's because we had to go to Walmart first.
It's like a river. Yeah, look at their backyard. Wow. The pool's underwater.
Cheese and another one with 3 original hot and 3 lemon pepper and regular fries, correct?
Correct.
Okay, it'll be
on the fries,
21.53.
okay, on the fries, ma'am, can you tell me the different flavors? Because I want to make sure we're getting them right.
Regular.
Okay, give me one moment.
Okay.
Oh my God. It's regular fries.
Where did you guys got the wrong flavor?
I went to the stores. Walmart H&E.
Fries, we have fry seasoning, lemon pepper seasoning, Cajun seasoning, and Parmesan.
Oh, okay. So I think it's which one do you guys normally request, or they request? It's the lemon?
It's just the regular seasoning.
Okay, we'll do the regular. That's good.
Okay.
All right, so 25 minutes, right?
Yes, and your total will be 21.63.
Okay, do we pay there or what?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Will love me again if I have housing.
Of course.
I'm gonna record for like 1 minute. I'm gonna record the Wendy's real fast.
I'm gonna
record.
With my fruit punch.
Don't spill that. Oh,
Yo, what is up, guys? We got Wendy. What is this place called? Wingstop. This is James.
Where are you going?
Somebody told me that he's home. I'm not taking you to the gym. You want to go take yourself. I thought you said the car wasn't eating up.
They stopped in the middle of the freeway. Someone had to push me. I went all the way to the.
So it's doing worse than before the guy fixed it?
No, it's doing way better.
So
What
pleasant.
is happening right there? Doesn't make any sense. There must be some sort of night.
Yeah,
All I heard was
know why?
Dieter enter the door to some PUB guys, and I put my earplug and I just rolled back asleep and didn't wake up until it was light outside.
So they kept Omar. When they
Yeah,
answered
we're
the door,
loud.
I'm like, Omar doesn't live here.
what did you get, Jared?
Oh my.
Oh.
Mine are habanero. These are mine.
I got
Thank you, Jesus. How generous.
I'll give him one of mine each.
Yeah, I think that's,
Oh wait, what is this? Oh, these are both. This is mine.
that's yours.
What is it? I got a wrench. Oh, this is mine.
That's yours. I got that.
Right, give me your plate.
They didn't give us ketchup, the bozos.
You see that tree fell?
What tree? In our yard? What do you mean, a branch or the whole tree? No, it's nothing. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jesus.
Yum, 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 yum.
Teresa's called. She wanted Jared to help her with something. The water bottle. Jared's busy. He doesn't have time to drive. I told her she'd be busy.
Did you know you can get to Sally Lane? And you know, let's go connect Sally Lane to our neighborhood. The little garden fence that Willie put up. I'll go buy the bolt cutters and we'll take it down and make a road straight through Sally Lane, so we don't have to be taking the
We
highway.
don't want y'all doing it.
I don't care what the couple. I know who did that, but I did it wrong last time. I just tore it apart.
Listening because you're talking,
Oh.
Teresa. So they live on Sally Lane. They didn't look like they did, but they did.
I told him.
They were protesting. They don't want that street opened up to Sally Lane.
Oh, they don't want it open? I already know who it
Because they're gonna
is.
know a lot of people come.
I already know who it is. I know because they want to remain not in city limits.
We're at the gym. Bad mean. Bad mean. Cookies, cookies. I don't know which one I should get. I'll get one to mom.